Hello friends, so today we'll talk about numerical control system. Sections we will cover fundamental of NC technology, computer numerical control DNC, application of NC, engineering analysis of NC positioning system, NC part programming. So first start with numerical control. NC refined form of programmable automation in which the mechanical action of machine, tool or other equipment are controlled by a program through punch tape containing coded alphanumeric data. The alphanumeric data represents relative positions between a work head, which is cutting tool, and a work part. When the current job is completed, a new program can be entered for the next job. You can see the diagram here, right? That how things are connected: spindle, motor, chuck, workplace, stepper motor, servo controller, spindle speed controller, interpretation of control unit, servo control X, tape reader, right? Stepping motor, manual input, workpiece. So how they are aligned. Now we'll talk about the basic component of NC system. Program of instruction part program in machining. Machine control unit controls the process. Processing equipment performs the process. The basic component of NC system: program, machine control unit and processing equipment. Now the program. What is program? The set of detailed step-by-step command that direct the action of the processing equipment. A person who prepared the program is called part programmer. Individual command: refer position of cutting tool relative to workpiece. Older days, the part program was punched in a 1-inch wide punch tape, but now magnetic tape, disketters and electronic transfer. Machine control unit is a microcomputer and related control hardware that stores the program of instruction of execute it by converting each command into mechanical action. The term CNC is used that all MCU are based on computer technology. MCU includes control system software, calculation algorithm and translation software. The processing equipment that performs the actual productive work, for example machining, it's operational directed by MCU. The processing equipment consists of workable and spindle as well as motor and control to drive them. NC coordinate system. First, define standard axis system XYZ, 3 rotational axis ABC. In most machine application, XY axis are used to move and position the work table and Z axis for controlling the tool movement. NC coordinate system. For flat and prismatic black-like parts, milling and drilling operation. Conventional Cartesian coordinate system. Rotational axis about each linear axis, right hand rule, right? Now you can see the coordinate axis system: flat prismatic part, workplace, how it is mounted, direction X, Y, Z. So we have 3 linear direction, 6 in if we consider upward direction, as well as rotational in about each and every axis. So the NC coordinate system we'll take in next lecture.